George, welcome back to your English classes. With your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Tuesday, June 1st, 2021. It's the first day of June. And what we're going to see today is about obligations and provisions. Again, we're going to practice a little bit more. So now I have some different games and I want you to answer them by your own. You watch the video. Oh, I think it's this. Oh, I think it's this. Okay? And tell me in the comments if you got it all right or you did good or how you did. Okay? So the first one is about the rules to be a pirate. The pirate code. So rule number 1. Do you think a pirate must or mustn't be brave? If you answer must, you are right. A pirate must be brave. Let's see number 2. Rule number 2. A pirate must or mustn't have a ship without flag. If you answer must, you are right, George. A pirate must have a ship without flag. That's rule number 3. A pirate must or mustn't be afraid of monsters. If you answer mustn't, you are right. A pirate mustn't be afraid of monsters. Rule number 4. A pirate must or mustn't listen to the captain. If you answer must, let me tell you that you are correct. A pirate must listen to the captain. Rule number 5. A pirate must or mustn't find new treasures. If you answer must, let me tell you that you are correct. It's must. Rule number 6. A pirate must or mustn't drink a lot of beer. Well, you know this answer, right? If you answer mustn't, you are correct. A pirate mustn't drink a lot of beer. Let's talk about rule number 7. A pirate must or mustn't talk to his parrot. Yeah, it's must talk to his parrot. Rule number 8. Pirate must or mustn't swim well. If you answer must, you are correct. A pirate must swim well. Rule number 9. Pirates must or mustn't work together. That's right. Pirates must work together. Rule number 10. A pirate must or mustn't wear clean clothes. If you answer with mustn't, let me tell you that you are correct. A pirate mustn't wear clean clothes. And that's a pirate life for me. Okay, so how did you do with this exercise? Do you got it all right? Do you got 2 right? 4, 5, 6, 8? Tell me in the comments. But now, let's see about the traffic laws. By doing a driving test. Must or mustn't? Ready? We're driving. Oh, we saw a sign. So the sign says you must or mustn't turn right. That's
Correct!
Right. It's mustn't. Very good. We can drive again. Oh no. You must or mustn't turn left. That's right. You
Correct!
must turn left. Very good. Let's continue. Oh no. Oh, many signs here. You must or you mustn't turn left. If you answer mustn't,
Correct.
you are correct. You mustn't turn left. Let's continue. Turn. Oh. We saw a stop sign. You must or mustn't stop here. What do you think? If you answer must,
Correct.
you are correct. Let's continue. Bam, bam. Oh no. Here it says you park here. You must or you mustn't. What do you think, George? Is must or mustn't? If you answer mustn't,
Correct.
you are correct. Let's continue. Bam. Oh no. Okay. You turn right. You must or you mustn't turn right.
Correct.
You must turn right. That's correct. Oh no. What it says here? You must or mustn't enter. I think the sign says
Correct.
mustn't enter. That's correct. Let's continue. Bam, 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 bam. Oh. So, you must go ahead or you mustn't go ahead. Yeah, that's right. You must
Correct.
go ahead. But what happens here? Do you must stop here or you mustn't stop here? You mustn't
Correct.
stop here. And that's it. Okay, George. We're going to continue practicing with this, but we're going to do it tomorrow when I see you. Have a very nice trip tomorrow. Take care a lot. Use your mouth cover. And have a very nice day. See you later.